In this video, we'll show you how to change your download location in Windows 10. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so by default, everything you download goes into your downloads folder on your main drive, which is usually the C drive. If your C drive is getting full or you just want your downloads to another drive automatically, you can change that. There are actually two main ways to do it. You can change the default downloads folder location, or you can change it inside your browser. I'll show you both methods step by step. Alright, so first we're going to change the actual downloads folder location inside Windows. Go down to your taskbar and click on the folder icon to open File Explorer. On the left side, look for Download. Right click on Downloads and then click Properties. A new window will open. At the top, click on the Location tab. Right now, you should see the current path, which is probably something like C users your name / downloads. To change it, click on Move. Now browse to the drive where you want your downloads to go. For example, if you have a D drive or an external drive, open that drive. You can either select an existing folder or click a new folder and create one called Downloads. Once you select a new folder, click Select Folder, then click Apply. Windows will ask you if you want to move all existing files from the old Downloads folder to the new one. If you want everything transferred, click Yes. If not, click No. After that, click OK. Now your default downloads folder has been moved, and anything that you use the Windows default location will go there automatically. Alright, some browsers have their own download location settings, so let's check that too. If you're using Google Chrome, open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. Click Settings, scroll down and click Advanced if you see it. Then scroll down until you find the download section. You'll see the current download location path. Click Change, then select the folder you want your downloads to go. After selecting it, close the Settings tab. Your new download location is now set. If you want Chrome to ask you every time where to save a file, turn on the options to say ask where to save each file before downloading. And that's it. And the step is practically the same for other browsers like Firefox or Opera or Microsoft Edge, so you can do the same thing. And that's it. That's how you change the download location in Windows 10. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.